Welcome back, guys. And for the last mistake we did, the last thing was a mistake. So that was a mistake at the end of the thing. So the mistake we did was like this was tried to do this at intent, but it was a mistake with how it's name. So instead of a cloud here, we should just put a router. I did connect to a router here, so I'm gonna delete it again. We're trying to do it again. So I'm gonna delete this to the cloud. It should be outside. The cloud has to be three internet so you will see the mistake. So I come back again and choose a router. So we're going to simulate the internet. We're doing it. So I'm going to do the internet. And then for this, how it works like there's an error because there's a this there's no error, sorry. This gigabit already has its three ports. It's already has three ports to come inside those ports and add this this WHIC/2 is a single port. This is a just stick it in, drag and drop it here. But I already done that. You have to put the router off. You put the router off, then you put the router on again. Then you drag and drop this, and it's okay. You just have to put the router off and put it on again. I've already have it here, so you enter the command line, enable con config C. You enter the serial ports. Sorry, I didn't put the cable. Put the cable. The CR cable is just like this. You see the T, so just use it automatically. It's a fast connection. Oh, sorry. You see? Let me just show you down the process. Now you have to put the router off. We have to put this also serial ports off. So the serial port is for like wide area networks. Like you need to connect wide area networks use serial ports. So you go under to this parts, take this, drag, and then push the router on so it loads. So let me just fast forward it and then it's on. So I'm gonna just connect them quickly one time. We just grab a say it's this if you want to use this port, so just do it fastly. So you just have to press again. So enter this port which is S0/3/0. So enter that, we just say interface S0/3/0 IP add 23.1.255.255.255.252 the subnet and then no shots. So come back into this router and this is the router. This is just like simulation. So the ISP has control of this. We just want to do a simulation for the default route. How the routing can like the device can just enter exit the route. So for example, come back here. If I try to do show IP routes, there's no like default gateway sets. That was the problem for the last time. So there was only default gateway sets. Yeah, so what we're going to do is go and allow a default gateway, which is a default static IP address. So that is what we're doing here. So just say conft interface S0/3/0. So yeah, IP had 0.3.0.0.2 and of 255.255.252. No shots. And the link is up automatically, but there we have not done routing yet. So say it's okay. So now we're trying to do our routing here. So a default route, basically a default route is like saying if the router does not have where to send it or doesn't know where to send it, it just send it out to this part, to this interface. This is the internet. This is because as soon as you say internet ISP simulation. So we enter here and then we just exit just for static route like IP route